Hi Guidance 18, I'm Davia Kirkpatrick and I'm going to be your instructor for the spring semester. So I wanted to kind of just do a little welcome video, kind of walking everyone through week one. That way you kind of have an idea of what's going on and how to navigate around. Guidance 18 is truly a fun course. It's not only 3 units, transferable course, but this is one where we're going to be exploring things about you. We are going to be looking at how to be successful in college, how you can explore ed planning, lifelong learning, values, how to set goals, improving study skills, things like that. So this is one of those courses that it not only can help you in your educational journey, but in the work world, just your personal life, just anything that has to do with you. This is a good course. So, okay, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So every week, here we are at the home page right here. And what we're going to do is go to the Start Here First module. And so again, I have another video for you guys to watch. And every week it's going to tell you what we have going on for this week. So our course, as hopefully you've all read the syllabus, but our course runs, everything opens up Monday mornings, and then all work is always due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Okay, so our course runs Monday to Sunday. So this week I am keeping it kind of light in terms of what's going on. Also, nothing will be marked late this first week. So, I know everyone's kind of coming from different backgrounds. We have some students that are going to end up dropping, adding, waitlisted, all that kind of stuff. So nothing will be marked first or late this first week. All right, so then we just go down here. We're going to click next. And then again, this week you're going to have a lot of little videos to watch, a lot of pages to go through, not videos to watch, sorry, but a lot of pages to go through. Make sure that you are looking over the syllabus. Okay, I'm just going to kind of pull it over here. This is what we kind of consider our contract. So you want to make sure that you're going through it, that if you have any questions, you're reaching out to me. It kind of goes through everything, what to expect. Of course, I usually pretty much go by everything the syllabus says in terms of, I don't change things up too much. But if there's something that needs to change in the syllabus, I will let you know and send you guys out an email. That's another thing. Make sure you are checking your student email every day, every other day at least, because when I communicate with you as probably your other instructors, it's going to be through email. Okay? All right. And then I do have a video tour of Canvas, and this video is going to talk to you guys about the navigation bar, the menu, just kind of how to navigate Canvas, because some of you guys, this is your first online course. Okay, and then this talks about my grading policy and things like that. One thing to notice, let me go back here, in terms of late work. So I do not accept late work at all. My deadlines, those are hard deadlines. No late work, okay? Unless you've communicated to me ahead of time, then again, my deadlines are hard deadlines. However, with that said, I do encourage students to resubmit work. So if you submit something on time, as long as it's turned in on time and you aren't happy with the grade that you've gotten, you can resubmit it without any penalty, and I will give you the higher of the 2 grades. Okay, so again, no late work, but I do encourage you guys to resubmit work if you aren't happy with the grade that you received, and you can get a higher grade. Okay. All right, and then class participation. So here's something else, just by logging in and out. So I'm able to track when you guys are logging in and also how much time you guys are spending in our class. So just by logging in, that does not mean that you are actively participating, okay? So if it's been less than a week, or I'm sorry, more than 1 week without logging in, I'm going to email you. You guys will have 48 hours to respond. If you don't, then I'm going to end up dropping you, okay? And then if you don't submit any work for 2 school weeks, 2 weeks, then I will end up dropping you as well, okay? So again, that doesn't typically happen. As I mentioned, you'll hear me say it over and over, I'm huge on communication. Email me if there's a concern. I'm going to reach out to you. So let me know if you guys have any questions about that. And then again, being in the online setting, we are going to be participating in discussions most every week. And so that's where you guys are going to have the opportunity to post something and then respond to 2 of your classmates. So we want to make sure that we are talking to humans, people. We all have feelings. This is an academic setting. We want to make sure we're keeping things professional, being courteous, and so just kind of keep that in mind when you're responding to people. And then again, here are the required course materials. We're going to have our textbook that I mentioned, and then the Columbia College catalog, which you can just click on that link and it will take you right to it. That's free online. And then here are just some support student services and resources for you guys. Make sure you're clicking through each tab. If you do have an AAP, Academic Achievement Plan, on file with the Disability Support Services, please let me know and reach out to me. Because if you have accommodations and things like that, I definitely need to know and want to make sure that I'm working with you, okay? All right, and so that's it in terms of clicking through each one of those little tabs, okay, each one of those pages. All right, so now let's jump into week 1. So this is where we're going to actually start turning in work. And again, every week you will have the objectives for the week and just kind of a breakdown of what we've got going on. And so here is our first quiz, and this one is on our syllabus, okay? Another thing in our class is I do allow you guys to retake quizzes for a higher grade. So if you take a quiz, you aren't happy with your grade, you can log right back in and take a quiz for the higher grade, okay? So no test anxiety in here. However, the final though, that's a one-shot deal. Okay, and then just to kind of get in the flow of how to turn in assignments, how to upload, how am I submitting things, how do I, whatever. I want you guys to open up this letter of student understanding, and you guys are going to, let me pull it over here, and then you guys are going to initial either written or typed out, and you are going to upload it to me and scan it in, take a picture, however you want to do it, and then just turn it into me. And again, I'm giving you a few points for it, but that's just so you guys can kind of get familiar with how it works submitting assignments. All right, and then I'm also asking this week that you create or update your Canvas profile, putting in information that you are comfortable with. I do ask that we have a picture of your face, not of your cat or your dog or, whatever. Just because we do so much communicating, it's nice to see a face, know who we're talking with or communicating with. Okay, and then again, as I mentioned, each week, and we've already got some of you guys love it, you guys have already started participating in our classroom discussion. So you'll get onto this page, you're going to click the reply button, you'll start typing, okay, and then once you're done, you'll click post reply, and then you are asked to respond to 2 of your classmates, which you can see Ivan and Jennifer have done right here. So Ivan wrote his initial post, Jennifer clicked reply, and there you go. Okay, so again, this is something that we will do every week. Alrighty, or most every week. Okay, and that's it. So again, the first week, super easy, okay? Let me know if you guys have questions about anything at all. If you notice a broken link or there's something going on that isn't clear or you find a mistake or something, please let me know. We're going to have a good semester. I love this class. Again, I think this is my 5th time teaching it. I absolutely love it. Students always come away. I always do different surveys throughout the semester, and students always say that it was helpful and they appreciated the information and they learned things about themselves and it's helped them. So I'm excited to have you guys here. Okay. And we will every week have a live session. We aren't going to have one the first week, but that will require you guys to either log on live with us they're usually 5-10 minutes at the most. Log on live with us, and if you aren't able to log on when we have these live sessions, you can go back in, watch the archived video, and then you'll just be asked to write a paragraph about I ask a specific question. Okay, so we'll dive into that in week 2, but otherwise, super excited to be here. Let me know if you guys have questions about anything, and we'll talk soon.